The kitchen is an essential part of the home. It's more than just a room where we cook and store our food. It's a place where we spend quality time with our friends and family.
It is where we share a warm meal and have quality conversations with our loved ones. It is where we create some of the best memories with the people we cherish. That is why we expect our kitchens to be functional, durable, and inviting. We want them to feel comfortable and express our unique taste.
As Bergen Marble, we are proud to be a part of your kitchen remodeling journey. We aim to offer you our expertise and experience to help you navigate through your choices.
Kitchen remodeling is not a very easy task to undertake. It involves careful planning, doing research, and making a lot of choices. As Bergen Marble, we offer you our help every step of the way, from choosing the right cabinets to countertop materials. With our team of 40, we have been serving our customers in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut since 2016. With the help of our expert team members, we have been creating tailor-made kitchens and bathrooms for our customers. We consider every single one of our customers as a member of Bergen family. That is why we take pride in what we do and work very hard to ensure 100% satisfaction for our customers. Our team consists of seasoned experts so that we can offer you the best service available, and we provide our customers with the highest quality materials at competitive prices.